Technology has become a part of daily life, and the internet has brought the world closer. Over the years, the convergence of medicine and technology has become significantly pronounced, with the last decade showing tremendous possibilities in leveraging AI, healthcare informatics, big data, machine learning, and teleconsulting to further the impact and outcomes of medicine. When a global health crisis emerges, it underlines the need to strengthen healthcare through the deployment of technology to make healthcare omnipresent. The Masterclass of Digital Health is designed for medical and science graduates who want to work in the areas of convergence between IT, computer science, and medicine. At the end of this course, the students will have the knowledge to identify, evaluate, and implement ideal digital health systems, leverage knowledge of clinical, biomedical, and bioethical concepts, and apply the same to clinical care processes through technology. Apply new strategies to manage current technology projects within existing hospitals and clinics. Define best practices for managing change during the implementation of digital health. The final step in this course is a digital health project that provides you the opportunity to apply the collective learning throughout the course in a real-world setting. We at Medvarsity strive to equip every healthcare professional with the ability to fast-track their career and enable them to better serve the communities in which they practice. Join us, and let's impact healthcare through education.